Home Uncategorized the Aerosol Masking Effect, a deep dive into our Faustian bargain. The Aerosol Masking Effect, a deep dive into our Faustian bargain. Posted on March 18th, 2024 by Kevin Hester, 8 comments. I first wrote about the best kept secret in climate science in my 2016 article titled Global Dimming Keeping the Planet Habitable. That blog has many more relevant links in the comments section for the inquisitive. The embedded video on global dimming is a must-watch. That article refers to the phenomena of the planet warming after 9/11, when all the planes were grounded in the USA, with the subsequent decline in aerosols, followed by immediate warming. The warming spike was directly linked to the decrease of aerosols, additional to our crack-like addiction to emitting CO2, CH4, the most prolific greenhouse gas H2O, and other greenhouse gases. Lion Simons mentioned in the video below that a warmer climate holds 7% more water vapor for every 1 C we broil the planet. In mountainous regions, it can be as much as 15%. Each 1 degree C we warm the planet adds an additional 7% increase in moisture into the atmosphere. On this episode, Nate is joined by climate researcher Leon Simons to unpack recent trends in global heating during 2023 and potential explanations and subsequent projections for the coming year. While the connection between human-emitted greenhouse gases and global warming is scientifically agreed upon, the other complexities and feedbacks of our climate system are still just beginning to be understood. Today, Leon theorizes on the intensity of aerosol masking from particulates such as sulfur, based on the connection between recent changes in marine fuel sulfur requirements and corresponding climate data. How will the global trend towards aerosol reductions affect near and long-term global heating? What does this catch-22 mean for potential future climate action and policy? How should we be thinking about creating a more simplified global system in response to the unknown unknowns of our potential future climate? It's a race. Will human extinction result from loss of aerosol masking or ongoing overheating? Professor Guy McPherson was previously interviewed by Nate Polson, Canadian Prepper interview, August 30th. 2022. Leon briefly mentioned the consequences of record sea surface temperatures we're having on coral reefs. Embedded following is an article titled, An Underwater Bushfire, Major Coral Bleaching Event in Northern Parts of Australia's Great Barrier Reef. Additionally, record ocean temperatures push coral reefs to brink of 4th mass bleaching event in October 2023. Guy and I discuss the catastrophe we are inflicting on our coral reefs from warming and the additional insult of pouring radioactive wastewater into my beloved Pacific Ocean. Fukushima Daiichi adds insult to injury for the Pacific's coral reefs. I've been studying collapse since I visited Mayan ruins in Central America and similar ruins in Southeast Asia in the early 1980s. None of those civilizations expected to fail, yet fail they did. The collapse of industrial civilization will trigger the loss of aerosols. We'll also see the meltdown of 450-plus nuclear power stations, 1,200 spent fuel pool fires, and tens of thousands of leaking chemical plants and oil wells. Perhaps the aerosols from that scenario will be more than the AME today. We've never carried out this experiment before, so all bets are off. As with all my blog posts, as new data comes in, I add it to the comments section. Feel free to leave a comment, so when I add more information, you'll get a notification. Good luck, everyone. We sure are going to need it.